In Infinite Craft, obtaining infinite craft revolves around setting up systems that generate resources and allow you to craft items endlessly without the need for constant manual effort. The key to this is automation and efficient design. One way to achieve infinite craft is by building automated farms. These systems can grow crops, harvest them, and store the resources automatically using redstone, pistons, and other mechanisms. For example, an automated crop farm can plant and harvest wheat and other plants, allowing you to gather materials continuously without manual harvesting. Similarly, tree farms can be designed to chop down and replant trees automatically, providing a renewable supply of wood. Another strategy for infinite crafting is creating a resource loop. This setup involves crafting stations that automatically craft and replenish items as needed. By connecting dispensers, hoppers, and storage containers, you can ensure that materials will always be available for crafting without interruption. Additionally, you can tap into renewable energy sources such as water or lava to power these automated systems. These resources regenerate naturally, providing an ongoing power source for machines that need it to operate. By combining these automation techniques, you can create a self-sustaining environment in Infinite Craft where resources and crafting processes flow endlessly, making your gameplay more efficient and enjoyable. Let me know if this helped.